Now, the next topic is even and odd numbers. Numbers are great for countings. All numbers are either even or odd numbers. Even numbers are any whole numbers that can be divided by 2. Odd numbers are the whole numbers that cannot be divided by 2. So, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 20. Some odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 19. One way you can see even and odd numbers are with this example. Here the two apples are paired together and one is left. So that was odd. Here both the pairs of apple are combined together. Two apples make one pair and the next two apple makes next pair. There is no more apple is remaining. So these are even in numbers. Let's try it again. Is 15 an even number or odd number? Just pair them. Here one apple is remaining. So it is an odd number. Is 14 an odd number or even number? Pair the pairs in 2. Yes, now no more pair is left, so 14 is even number. Let's try some more example. Is 26 is odd or even? Pair two oranges together. Here we can see that no oranges remaining, so 26 is an even number. How about 33? Make pair of strawberries. Here we can see that one strawberry is remaining. It has no pair. It means 33 is an odd number. Now you can differentiate between even numbers and odd numbers. So do exercises of your book. Thanks for watching the video. I hope now you know about even and odd numbers. Stay home. What do you mean by an ordinal numbers? The ordinal numbers show the position of an object. Let's learn about the ordinal numbers. There are 10 animals living in this pond. They have organized a race today. All of them are standing at start position. The race begins. The horse and the dog are running very fast. They complete the race and are at first and second position respectively. The camel and the elephant are running quite fast. They are third and fourth respectively to complete the race. The bear is at fifth position and the cow is at sixth position. The sheep and the rabbit look tired. They have reached the finishing point at seventh and eighth position respectively. The tortoise and the pig are running very slow. They are ninth and tenth respectively. With this, the race ends. Now, let us look at the winning positions of these animals. The horse came first. F-I-R-S-T, first. The dog came second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. The camel is at third position. T-H-I-R-D, third. The elephant is at fourth position. F-O U R T H, fourth. The bear came fifth in the running race. F I F T H, fifth. The cow came sixth. S I X T H, sixth. The sheep is at seventh position. S E V E N T H, seventh. The rabbit is at eighth position. E I G H T H, eighth. The tortoise came ninth in the running race. N I N T H, ninth. The pig is at 10th position. T E N T H, 10th. Let us look at this table. It shows the cardinal numbers 1, 2, 10 and the corresponding ordinal numbers 1st to 10th. So, this is all about the ordinal numbers. Now, I hope you all understood the topic ordinal numbers and can do your exercise yourself.